So what exactly is prenatal, postnatal, and antenatal? Prenatal simply means before birth or during or relating to pregnancy. Postnatal period begins immediately after the birth of the baby and extends up to 6 weeks after birth. Antenatal care is a planned visit between a pregnant woman and a midwife or doctor to assess and improve the well-being of the mother and baby throughout pregnancy. So these 3 things are very important, okay, during pregnancy or post-pregnancy: prenatal, postnatal, or antenatal. So who gonna go for it? Sarah, could you please do it? Prenatal. Prenatal simply means before birth.
Prenatal simply means before birth, during or relating to pregnancy.
Okay.
Postnatal period begins immediately after the birth of the baby and extends up to 6 weeks, 42 days after birth.
Okay.
Antenatal care is a planned visit between a pregnant woman and a midwife or doctor to assess and improve the well-being of the mother and the baby throughout pregnancy.
Okay, that's perfect. Joy.
Prenatal simply means before birth, during or relating to pregnancy.
Okay.
Postnatal
Period
begins immediately after the birth of the baby and extends up to 6 weeks, 42 days after birth.
Okay.
Antenatal care is a planned visit between a pregnant woman and a midwife or doctor to assess and improve the well-being of the mother and baby throughout pregnancy.
Okay, perfect. And how to say this, please?
What?
Joy. This one, the first one.
Prenatal?
Yeah. Prenatal.
Prenatal.
Yeah, just like prenatal.
Prenatal.
Prenatal. And this one is postnatal. And this one is antenatal. And this one is assess. Yeah, assess. Yeah, assess. And one is, we call it access. That is other, okay? One is assess and one is access, okay? A-double-C-E-double-S. This is access and this is A-double-S-E-double-S, assess, okay? So prenatal, postnatal, antenatal. Okay, now immediately, please.
Prenatal simply means before birth, during or relating to pregnancy.
Okay.
Postnatal period begins immediately after the birth of the baby and extends up to 6 weeks, 42 days after birth.
Yes.
Antenatal care is a planned visit between a pregnant woman and a midwife or doctor to assess and improve the well-being of the mother and baby throughout pregnancy.